How to cancel Roblox Premium subscription. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can cancel your Roblox Premium subscription. First, open up a web browser and go to roblox.com. Then you want to click on these three lines and now click on the Premium option. If you already have Premium, you're going to find the Premium option over here. Since I do not, it's showing Get Premium. Now, if you cancel your Premium subscriptions, you're going to lose the benefits of Premium. So that includes the exclusive items and other Premium benefits with the experience. If you agree to this, then you want to click on the gear icon and then click on Settings. Now click on Billing, and over here you will be able to find your membership status along with the renewal date. So it is going to automatically renew on the date given over here. If you want to cancel your subscription, simply click on the Cancel Renewal option. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation, and it's also going to say that canceling will end your subscription on the given date, and it's also going to tell you about all the benefits that you will lose. If you agree to that, click on Yes, Cancel, and once you do, you have successfully canceled your Roblox Premium subscription. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.